Mad mob! Shabba! Russian. Watching me papa and I'm me no afraid and me never pop till you are the high grade. Clean your blood clot, you know see me just. You man feel everything now.
Yes, sir!
You ready now? Will somebody please?
What's up my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So that is dancehall artist Teejay. He was performing at Uptown Mondays my people, where he sang a diss track aimed at Valiant my people. And we all know what's taking place with Teejay, the up top boss, and Valiant my people. But anyway, let us check out some more of the performance by Teejay at Uptown Mondays my people. Check it out.
Yes, sir!
You ready now? Will somebody please? My friend just know that. The man say, so let us nice of his time.
Now my people, I want you to take a damn good look on your screen. That post was created by Jolene Silvera, my people, the member of parliament who is now in custody for the murder of his wife. And it stated motivational speakers for the Jamaica Constabulary Force and other heads of department for national security yesterday morning at the conference center. Now you tell me, one on a murder charge and one was charged for beating a female with a hammer. So that is Julian Silvera talking about Ninjaman and Bounty Killer in the time of their trouble in that photo, my people. But Bounty Killer reacted to that and shared it on his Instagram, my people. And this is what it's captioned. Karma is my favorite bitch. She f***s everybody. Watch what this little weak insecure girl clown ya, Jolene Silvera, did say about me and Ninjaman. Whilst making a great effort 5 years ago, why you depend idiot, he dog them shall meet and greet you, blood clot in the pen now, pussy. But my people, them always say, don't be the judge of a next man downfall, because you can be in that same predicament, my people. Anyway, state your thoughts in the comment section about that. We're moving on. Not too far though, my people, because we still talk about the general himself, the ground god, Bounty Killer. We see where Bounty Killer took to his Instagram yesterday and posted a photo with Ninjaman, and I don't know who is this next person in the middle, my people, and Bounty Killer is himself, my people. See the man, the people like him are not, nobody can deny his contribution towards the establishment and development of dancehall and its culture. The great, and yes, the Dan Gargan, Ninjaman music. Wish you long life, good health, wealth and prosperity. Go and hold it on your big day, father. Salute. Emoji, salute. Champagne, glass, star, celebration, art. Fold hands, my people. Yeah man. Also my people, Ninjaman commented on the post as you can see. Up my son, fire emoji. So we have to say, big up Ninjaman pan your strong. That is it. Now my people, we see where dancehall artist Prime Minister, my people, put himself on the Russian dirty money rhythm, my people, and it's like a preview for a new song. You understand? I mean, I tell people the song sound damn good from Prime Minister. Though in the caption he stated, the only gun song and the rhythm, dirty money. Guess I'm the only gunman, one killers, black version. A badness. But people, check out the preview of the song still by dancehall artist Prime Minister.
Mad mob! Shabba! In front of station, me we flicked. Me and me gonna circle anywhere them they are licked. Finger on the trigger, oh you mean never na sicked. When me show say none of them no wicked. Me blood clot. Cut the clip in and the glap, me run the cheap red. Dead on the spot, them never get fee admitted. Me rise the Russian and the lyrics in a me head. Bullet rise in a your big head. Blood clot. Who the fuck I say me money done? From me walking money, they flow like a money gun. And me up two bad bitch, I rub me down. Any boy violate me, bust me gun story done. Me no go on with love, cause them no show me none. And me don't beg ratings, some man no owe me none. Me roll up a skiff and then me pour me rum, no brain and a dick, them can't slow me down. Russian. Watching me papa and I'm me no afraid and me never pop till you are the high grade. Clean your blood clot, you know see me just. You man feel everything now all alone. Girl inna me room, girl inna the lobby, living like a sugar daddy. Girl alone the soul of Mali. What's a muscle man to prove you want me kill somebody?
Now my people, the last thing you're going to take a look at in this video, we all know that Shaniel Muir and her mother is in some form of quarreling on social media, my people. Shaniel Muir bashes her mother for a defamation post saying that the devil has risen, and I mean my people, and it is public knowledge that dancehall sensation Shaniel Muir and her mother Suzette Gilburn are not on the best of terms, and trouble is once again brewing between the two, as Gilburn seems to have taken aim at her daughter via an online post on Facebook, my people. However, since it has become public knowledge, my people, other people take it up on them head, my people, and talk about it. So in this video, this woman is talking about the incident with Shaniel Muir and her mother, my people. I understand, because you know Shaniel Muir is a great music figure and a lot of people look up to her, so people have their own opinion and what they think about her and what's going on, my people. However, I'm going to play the entire video so you can listen what this woman has to say, and leave your honest thoughts in the comment section, my people. Alright?
So the other day I saw this video of Shaniel Muir mimicking her mom on social media. I'm not gonna lie, for me, it was neither here nor there, because at the end of the day, everybody have them own reasons for why they do the things that they do. And I remember going into the comment section and you had persons telling her to stop it. You know, it's done your mother regardless of what. You know, God this, God that, the whole world. Last night, no, I came across this video there with Shaniel's mom in it, and I was saying some very derogatory things, if we can classify it as derogatory, but she does say some very mean things towards Shaniel, and I'm not sure if that video was in retaliation to what Shaniel was doing before, or this was the video before that caused the problem. Whichever way you take it, none of it is not my business. But as you know, whatever comes on social media, it now becomes open to the public, and so I'll say this. So if you don't know a person's history, what them go through with persons, or even if you know, sometimes it's never your place to say, especially when it comes down to parents and children. Now everybody are gonna be quick to point out the Bible scripture that says, honor thy mother and thy father, that your days may be long. But nobody is quick to highlight the scripture that says, parents, do not provoke your children to wrath. And a little bit of people out here where if they could, they would switch their parents. And a little bit of people out here who their mother are them worst enemy. And then I have none for doing no petty disagreements in them teenagers or some little things where you like say it not call for. You have to understand that a lot of these parents, mothers, traumatize their children when they were younger. Like when one talk about abuse, one only think of physical abuse. If some people wish to come out and talk some traumatic experiences that they have had with parents as children growing up, no fun with a surprise. No fun on yourself, a sit down upon some secrets. Enough adults out here still a try win over them parents' love. Enough adults out here a try to buy them parents' love because what they thought that they were not enough when they were growing up. So it was made to seem by that parent or that mother. When you see people in them problem, do not be so quick to judge, because no fun know. When it comes on to some of them mother here out here, them are like the devil themselves. So you see, when you see a person reacting, you don't know if that is her defense mechanism to deal with the things that she have been through. Like, it's not the first we hear Shaniel come and just sing about it. Where, you know, her mother never did it till she turned 15. And I'm not saying that she's right. I'm not saying that she should disrespect her mom. But when you stop come and tell people about respect your mother, respect this, respect that, and you don't know the trials and tribulation that they've been through. Yes, I understand trying to be the moderator in the situation to say, oh, don't do this, if she did do that, leave her alone and whatever. Everybody deal with hurt and trauma differently. So when I see people are hurt and I deal with them situations, allow them to do that the best way they know how to.